Efficient document management is critical to many business processes. In this example, we'll create a functional specification for a new cordless drill that's in development. With Teamcenter, you can define document templates to support your business processes. So when you're creating a document, you simply fill out a few fields, and Teamcenter automatically retrieves the appropriate template. This ensures you're using the right template for the right document. Documents can be opened and edited directly in Microsoft Word. No need to fill out information you have already provided. Document content in the properties from Teamcenter can be linked. In this example, the fields in red are linked to Teamcenter. This means less time wasted re-entering information and fewer errors with out-of-sync data. Once you're done, you can save the file back to Teamcenter directly from Word. If desired, Teamcenter can automatically generate a PDF file on check-in to use for review and markup as the document moves through its life cycle. Let's jump forward in the process to see the content and markups that others have added, as well as the status of those markups. In this example, you see that several reviewers have already looked at the document. You can view their comments as well as the status or disposition of those comments. As a reviewer, you can make comments and suggest changes without directly editing the document. You can use a variety of markup tools to clearly communicate your input to the author. These comments can be saved as part of the history of the document if your process requires it. In this example, we went through an ad hoc review process. With workflows, you can support more structured review, as well as automate many administrative tasks. Here, we'll send the document through a simple workflow to approve it. Teamcenter automatically updates the status, sets a date stamp of approval, and generates a PDF for required document retention. And because the fields are linked, you can be sure the document reflects an accurate record of approval.